So here is how you can connect the Apple tag on the iPhone. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So if you purchase the Apple AirTag, the way to connect it and set it up is actually through the Find My app. So this is what the app looks like. You should have it pre-installed and a part of your iPhone already. So you should be able to find it and get inside. And at the bottom, we have a few things. So you have like your location, you have items, devices, and people, right? So the Apple AirTag belongs to the items category, right? So it's not technically a device. It's not like a person sharing your location. So you have to tap on the items right here. And this page shows up if you haven't set up any of your AirTags just yet. Just click on add item. You can see that it might be the AirTag or even other supported one. So if you have a third-party tag, you can as well connect it to the iPhone, but most likely we want to go to the AirTag like this, and it's basically going to search for it, scan it, and pair it together. So you will have the ability to browse the location of it wherever it happens to be. It's very neat feature, right? It is going to give you the ability to kind of like see it on the map wherever you happen to be, right? So let me just kind of show you what it looks like. If I just put in here another phone, I have a couple of items in there, so it's telling me where exactly it is. I have shared the name in here and all of the stuff, so that's actually very useful. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it and explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads as well.